Hello and welcome back to Learn with Aditi. Let me start by telling you the name of the lesson for which I am here today. It's Every Drop Counts. Children, you all know that 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 97% of the water is found in oceans, which we cannot use as it is too salty. Only 3% of the water is fresh. Out of this 3%, 2.5% of the water is found in the form of glaciers and is mixed either with the atmosphere or with the soil. So we are left with only 0.5% of the water which is fresh and available to us. This 0.5% is available in the form of groundwater and rainwater. This limited fresh water is also running short. So there is a need to collect and store rainwater. So today I am going to show you how you can do it at home with the help of this model. So have a look at this house. This is the house. This is the roof of the house. So the rainwater falls here. With the help of the pipelines, the rainwater gets collected in these tanks. These tanks can either be placed underground or over the ground also. So, see how it happens. All the water from the roof now has been collected in this tank. This tank water might have impurities, so this stored water can be filtered and reused for other domestic purposes at home. There is another way of doing this. The pipelines can directly be left into the ground, which allows the rainwater to seep into the soil, which will result in the increased underground water level. Do you know the government of Tamil Nadu has made rainwater harvesting mandatory for all the buildings. So no building can be constructed if they don't have a rainwater harvesting system there. So now you also have to make this model at home. Be as creative as you can and make the best out of it. You can share this model with your EVS class teacher. Another thing that we are going to study today is this water bill. This water bill is generated by HSVP, Haryana Shahri Vikas Pradhikaran. This is the authority that is responsible for the supply of clean water to your houses. So we are going to start by looking at the consumer name. Every consumer has been allotted a unique ID, a number. So जब भी ये number डालेंगे तो उस particular consumer का सारा details display हो जाएगा. Then the second thing is the place where the bill has been generated. Again, it is having a code, the city name and the code. Then the name of the consumer. Here is the name and the address of the consumer. Next is the bill number and the date when the bill is generated. This bill has been generated on 14th of July 2020. Now, few things that we have to keep in mind is here. These are the two dates that has been given. ये जो दो dates हैं, इसका क्या मतलब है? ये जो पानी का बिल है वो कितने से कितने टाइम का है? So the bill is from 9th of June to 30th of June. ये इसका टाइम पीरियड है. जितना टाइम हमने वाटर जो भी यूज़ करा है, कंज्यूम करा है, उसका जो बिल है वो इतने टाइम पीरियड का है. कितना क्वांटिटी में वाटर यूज़ करा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको चार्ज पे करना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर दैट द ड्यू डेट. Now you know that you have to pay this bill. The last day of paying this bill is 31st July 2020. Now if we exceed this period, जो हमारा जो amount है उसमें फिर हमारे fines add on होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. Then we have to pay the principal amount plus the fine. So the amount here is 31.75 rupees. 32 rupees, the round off figure. Then after that, if you pay this bill after the due date, that will be 35. And again, if you are going to take more days, then the fine will be added accordingly. So ये आपका पानी का बिल है. Now how to pay this bill? ये bill pay करने के लिए either you can go to the Huda office or you can also see here one link is given. So you can choose various online payment modes and pay via using this link. So now whenever you get your water bill at home, you have to very carefully study your bill. All right? Have a good day.